bird has ever landed here, and everyone who tries to get close disappears. They call it the island where birds never land. On no map does it have a name. Fishermen avoid it. Pilots whisper about instruments going haywire when they fly over. Birds, they never land. They circle endlessly, as if the island is forbidden. Several explorers attempted to set foot on its shores. Boats returned, empty. Sailors vanished. All that remained were strange symbols carved into the wood, glowing faintly under the moonlight. Satellites detect strange electromagnetic signals. No animal life, no vegetation, yet the island seems alive, watching. No one knows why.